Let us imagine for a moment a world where the limits of the sky are no longer a constraint, where your vision rises and embraces the horizon in all its splendor. A world where the extraordinary becomes accessible, where every moment can be captured and shared in stunning clarity. This world is now within reach thanks to the DEERC D10 drone, a technological masterpiece designed to enrich your life with unprecedented perspectives. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. The DEERC D10 is the ideal tool for adult beginners in drone flying looking to explore the world from above with ease. Thanks to its 2K HD camera and intuitive controls. Perfect for those who wish to capture unforgettable moments from an aerial perspective without compromising on simplicity or safety. The D10 is not just a simple drone, it is an invitation to rediscover the world from the skies. With its 2K HD FPV camera, it provides you with stable and clearer views than ever before, allowing for the capture and recording of images at a distance of 262 meters with remarkable precision. Imagine sharing breathtaking landscapes with your friends on social media with just one click, turning every outing into an unforgettable adventure. Designed with the beginner in mind, the DEERC D10 drone makes flying fun and effortless. Features such as automatic takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and headless mode ensure a smooth flying experience that is accessible to everyone. Whether you are a novice or a drone enthusiast, you will find the DEERC D10 drone to be a reliable and easy-to-pilot companion. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Safety and durability are also prioritized. With its emergency stop, low power alarm, and propeller guards, the DEERC D10 drone promises safe flights every time. Additionally, with 2 modular batteries included, you benefit from up to 24 minutes of flight time, extending your aerial exploration sessions. But what truly sets the DEERC D10 drone apart is its ability to delight and surprise. Thanks to the 3D flip and waypoint feature, you can perform spectacular maneuvers or draw a flight path on your smartphone for the DEERC D10 drone to follow. Imagine the freedom to create your own aerial show, adding a touch of magic to every flight. The magic also extends to voice control and intelligent gestures. Simply saying takeoff or landing is enough for the DEERC D10 drone to obey your voice, while a hand signal or a V can trigger a photo or a video recording. These features truly free your hands and make aerial photography more natural and intuitive. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1: ease of use. Ideal for beginners thanks to simple controls and automated features like one-touch takeoff and landing. Advantage number 2: FPV technology. Live transmission and first-person view for an immersive flying experience. Advantage number 3: extended flight time. With 2 modular batteries, the flight time can reach up to 24 minutes, allowing for longer exploration sessions. Advantage number 4: enhanced safety. Equipped with safety features such as emergency stop, low power alarm, and propeller guards. Advantage number 5: flexibility and creativity. Gesture and voice control, 3D flips, and the ability to trace flight paths provide varied and fun flying experiences. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1: limited range. With a maximum control distance of 100 meters, it can be limiting for those who wish to explore larger areas. So, the D10 is more than just a drone. It is a window open to the world, an invitation to explore and share the beauty that surrounds us. With its 2K HD camera, easy control for beginners, durability, and innovative features, it is ready to transform the way you see the world. Don't let this opportunity slip away. To order the DEERC D10 drone, a foldable drone with a 2K HD FPV live video camera for adults at the best price, learn more about the product and discover the hundreds of enthusiastic customer reviews, click on the link in the description. It's time to spread your wings and embrace the sky with confidence and creativity. With that, I thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.